Assalamu alaikum. This video is for class 4. Subject is English and this is our 9th lesson. Today we are going to start new unit number 4, English speaking countries, and in this unit we'll cover these lessons today. Unit number 4, lesson number 1, Unit 4, lesson number 2, and Unit number 4, lesson number 3. And pages from 20 to 23. So let's start our today's lesson. Unit number 4, lesson number 1. So these dialogues are going on between Mrs. B and Nadia. Nadia is her daughter. Mrs. B: I have made a pot of tea, Nadia. Would you like a cup? Okay, she has made a cup of tea and now she's asking for my daughter, would you like a cup? To make your request to someone in English, so we use would. Would is much more polite in a way. Mrs. B: how would you like it? Black or with milk and sugar? Nadia: with milk and sugar, please. Depends on person taste and preference. Some people prefer their tea with sugar and milk, and some people like black as well. However, some teas in general are found to go better with milk and sugar. Mrs. B: would you like biscuits with it too? Students, the secret of good metabolism is not to start your day with a cup of tea. Okay, don't start your day with something acidic like tea or coffee with sugar and milk, but drink and eat something healthy. Nadia: yes, please. What are you cooking? Mrs. B: I am making your father's breakfast. Okay, she is in the kitchen and she is busy making the breakfast. Nadia: oh, when did he come back from Australia? So her father, he was in Australia and she didn't know that he's back. He arrived home late, so that's why he's still sleeping. And Mrs. B will go and wake him up now. Okay, see your homework now. Question is, which meal is Mr. Burkey going to have? Answer is, he's going to have a breakfast. Okay, answer is breakfast. Okay, now move on to unit number 4, lesson number 2, our words and meanings. Students, many words have come into English from other languages, including Urdu. English is made up of Old English, French, Latin, Greek, Chinese, Urdu, Spanish, and some words from other languages. Okay, these are match the columns, and this is the list of English language words of Urdu origin. And many entered English during the British Raj. These borrowings dating back to the colonial period. Okay, bungalow means a house on one level. Chutney is a spicy sauce made from fruit or vegetables. Shampoo, a liquid that you use to wash your hair. Jungle is a thick forest in a hot, wet country. Khaki means a green, brown or yellow brown color. Punch is drink made from 5 different fruit juices. Veranda, a platform at the side of a house with roof and floor but no walls. And pajamas, a loose jacket and trousers that you wear in bed. Question number 2 is complete the text with words from exercise 1. One evening, Rudyard Kipling was staying in the jungle. He was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist. He was sitting at the table on the veranda outside his bungalow, eating a dish of lamb curry and mango chutney and drinking a glass of punch. He was wearing old khaki trousers, sandals and a shirt. Question number 3. Copy and complete Saira's letter to Sandra. Students, blanks are in yellow color. You have to complete these blanks. Hello, it's evening and I'm sitting on the veranda wearing my pajamas and drinking a glass of punch. There's nobody else outside. My sister has gone to shampoo her hair. My grandpa's bungalow is on the edge of a jungle. So lots of animals walk around the house at night. Okay, see unit number 4, lesson number 3. Point number 1 is which country has the largest area and which has the smallest. Circle the largest country, underline the smallest. Australia has the largest area and United Kingdom has the smallest. Point number 2 is which country has the largest population, asking about the number of people. And which has the smallest. Circle the country with the largest population, underline the country with the smallest population. So the country which has the largest population is Pakistan, not United Kingdom and Australia. And it's nearly 212 million population. Due to the high increase of population, Pakistan is facing serious challenges like shortage of water, electricity, jobs, public transportation, health and education and so on. Okay, so Australia has the smallest population as compared to Pakistan and United Kingdom. Okay, point number 3 is in 1900 which country had the most languages? Yes, Australia. Not Pakistan, not United Kingdom. So Australia spoke about 100 different languages in 1900. And which country has the highest mountain? Is it Australia, Pakistan or United Kingdom? Yes, Pakistan has the highest mountain. Okay, K2 in Pakistan is the highest mountain peak. Which country has the largest desert? Yes, Australia. The Great Victoria is the largest desert in Australia. Students, Australia is one of the world's largest country by land area and as a result has some of the world's largest and most important deserts. Which country has the longest river? The longest and the largest river is in Pakistan and is the Indus River. And this river is about 3,180 kilometers long. Which countries have dangerous animals, insects and snakes? Okay, Australia and Pakistan both have dangerous animals, insects and snakes. And United Kingdom has no dangerous animals, insects, and adder is only one type of dangerous snake found in United Kingdom. So Australia and Pakistan both have the dangerous animals. So Australia and Pakistan are famous for dangerous animals. Okay, see point number 8. In which countries would you find kangaroos? You can find kangaroos only in Australia. And kangaroos are a national symbol of Australia. In which countries would you find sharks? You can find sharks in Australia, in Pakistan, as well as in United Kingdom. Sharks occur in all habitats around the Australian coastline, and sharks do occur around the coast of Britain. Okay, so you'll find sharks in all these three countries. Okay, in which country would you find koala bears? Koala bears live in the forest of southeastern and eastern Australia. When not sleeping, they are usually eating. Students, you can see the picture of a koala bear at the back. Okay, in which countries would you find deer? You'll find deer in Pakistan, in United Kingdom, and now in Australia. Australia is now home to 6 species of deer: fallow, red, cheetal, hog, rusa, and sambar. Okay, deer populations now exist in many regions across Australia. Okay, question number 2 is, listen to your teacher and write the missing information. Okay, answers are written. These are answers. Okay, you'll find deer in Pakistan, in UK, and now in Australia. You'll find kangaroos and koala bears only in Australia. You'll find sharks in Australia, Pakistan, and United Kingdom. B part is, Australia and Pakistan both have dangerous animals, insects, and snakes. The United Kingdom has no dangerous animals or insects and dash type of a dangerous snake. Answer is only one type of dangerous snake. Pakistan has the largest population and dash has the smallest. Yes, Australia has the smallest. Australia has the largest area. It is 10 times bigger than Pakistan and dash times bigger than the United Kingdom. It is 32 times bigger than the United Kingdom. F part is, the Indus, which flows through Pakistan, is the longest river. It is dash kilometers long. It is 3,180 kilometers long. K2 in Pakistan is the highest mountain. It is dash meters high. It is 8,611 meters high. The last part is, in 1900, the Aboriginal people, Aboriginal means the native people of Australia, spoke about 100 different languages. There were 8 main languages in Pakistan and only dash in the UK and only 3 in the UK. Our lesson has been completed. Complete your homework and thanks for watching.